Hi everybody, welcome back to the Rimmel channel. My name is Phoebe. You can find me on social media at Love Phoebe or Love P Beauty. If you guys want to see how I created this bold spring festival look, keep on watching. We're gonna start off with my cheeks. We're gonna go into the jelly highlighter. This is in the shade Candy Queen. I love putting this on my cheeks. It has a little bit of color. It's perfect to brighten up your complexion. To give my cheeks a little bit more color, I'm gonna go in with a jelly blush. This is in the color Berry Bounce. I like to put a little bit on my hand first. Make sure I don't grab too much, and then I apply it on my cheeks. All right, you guys, my cheeks look perfectly flushed. And I love how this product makes my cheeks look very natural. All right, going in for eyes, I will be using the Magnif'Eyes Rainbow Edition palette. I love all the fun colors in here. First, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, like a peachy color. So we're not going for the typical in the crease. We're gonna do something a little bit different today, a little bit more bold. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a lavender. I'm gonna apply this more in the middle of my eyelids. So if the color is a little bit too pale or too light for you, you can always wet your brush with a little setting spray. You're gonna go in to the color, and this will give you a much better payoff. For this next color, I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with the spray. Now this color is very, very bright, so you wanna be very careful with your application. I'm gonna take this right in the inner corner of my eyes. And just fluff it out. Taking a fluffy brush, you can just blend all the edges out. The more you blend this out so that the shadows blend together, the better it'll look. I'm gonna connect this blue color to the bottom of my lash line right here, just on the outer edge. And then you can always flick it so it gives you that small little wing. For the bottom lash line, you wanna use a fluffy brush, but like a pointy brush, so that way it's more precise. So for the inner corners on the bottom, we're gonna go back to this color right here. Again, wet your brush so there's no fallout. To make this look a little bit more bold, I'm gonna go in with the Eyeshadow gel pencil. This is in the color Deep Blue. Then I'm gonna blend out that pencil with a brush. And I'm always flicking outwards. To finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with the Eyeshadow Volume On Demand Mascara. This is in the color Black. All right, you guys, this is the eye look. We're gonna finish off with the lips. Let's see what we have here. Let's test these out. So we have two colors here. This is the Stay Glossy Lip Gloss. Pale pink one is gonna be the Blushing Belgrade. And then this bright one is gonna be Purple Parlor. I love how bright this lipstick is, but if it's too bright for you, you can always take this pale pink one and put it right in the middle. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. It's very bold, spring, very festival. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Rimmel channel, and you can find me on social media at Love Phoebe or Love P Beauty. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.